Here's a Yucca on Yucca hand drill attempt. There's my notch. Looks pretty narrow here, but it widens out. One thing I realized with this is that if you apply hardly any pressure at all, it will drill straight through very fast. And that's a combination of Yucca being so very low density and the spindle tip being so narrow. It's a lot of pressure. Anyways, here's my attempt. I'm going to hold it with both my feet because vibrations will destroy the coal. I've never succeeded before, so I probably won't. About 95% chance I won't. Just random statistic. You have to do crazy speed and like zero pressure. Did I already drill through? Oh my gosh, can't believe it. Drilled through way too fast.